Hello, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and I have just picked up this Kaisercraft kit. Now, I'm not actually at home at the moment, so apologies for recording this on my phone, but I wanted to record it before I use it. I had a 20% voucher from Spotlight. It was reduced to $16, and with the 20% off, that brought it down to $16. So I want to give you a quick flip through. I've not got one of these before. I have seen them in the shops, so I thought I'd give this one a try. I really love the colours. This is a Serenity kit or collection, but I just wanted to quickly show you, look how much plastic waste there was. So I've already taken it all out, and I just wanted to give you a quick flip through. So you see they come in these really nice sturdy cases, 12 by 12, which is obviously going to be great to reuse for other things. And let me show you what was in the kit. So I have already taken out the packaging, as I mentioned, and it comes with this nice little chipboard piece. I'll put it on here, and I'll just zoom in for you so you can see there's a few different ones on here. Take the time to delight in the joys of life, blessed, grateful and thankful. And then you've got the florals, this little sticker sheets. It's got some washi strips here that we can use, as well as some more of these florals as well. I really love the colour scheme in this collection. And then there is this 12 by 12 acetate sheet, which I really like as well, with these florals. I guess you could colour these in and fussy cut them. I'm thinking I might just use it as like a page in a book. So I really like those. And then it comes with a few other bits. So we've got this nice little lace trim. We have also got, it looks like a cross stitch, the calico, I can't remember the name of it now, but the base that you would have, but it's obviously just one big strip. Apologies, I'm doing this one-handedly. And it's quite a nice long piece. Let me see, yeah, about 24 inch long, I would say. Then we have got this stamp, just a couple of designs on that. Some of these nice little flowers in that teal colour, and some dark ones. They do remind me of the uniquely created ones, so I presume maybe they use the same supplier, I'm not quite sure. And then we have also got some little dankets. So I'll just quickly show you these. Now I love it when people provide the black and white ones, because then you can colour them whatever colour you want, or you can just leave them as they are. I think it looks really nice with a monochrome effect. There's a few with some sayings as well. Oops. Quickly show you these. There's quite a few of those, and I want to quickly show you the sheets because these are my favourite part of the kit. So this is like a granite effect almost, with that on the back, and they're all double-sided. There's a lot of watercolour effect sheets. And I like how Kaisercraft always do like little sentiment strips on the bottom of the manufacturer strips as well. So on one side you will see all the details you need, but on the other side they do generally do some of these nice little details which you can use as well in your projects. Look at this one, this is stunning. So some of these you can fussy cut out and just use them as backgrounds. Would be great for fussy cutting. And another little marble effect one, and then that's my favourite one of them all. So that was a quick flip through of the Serenity collection. I've seen a few different kits in the shops. They normally retail about $30, I think, so not sure I would pay that much for it, but I think I've got a bit of a bargain for $16. And as I mentioned, I'm away at the moment, so if I get time I will create some blank backgrounds ready to add a photo to. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see what that looks like over the coming weeks. But I hope that gave you some ideas yourself if you've been interested in picking up one of these kits and you've seen them. And apart from that, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.